Hi everyone, need to create a YouTube banner? I'll show you how. Hi everyone, I'm Dan at BeingLiftedMedia. Let's begin. Pick your browser of choice, go to canva.com. You can use the free version. Today we'll be using a version that I purchased. And we're going to go to More, YouTube Banner. Okay, so 2560 by 1440 pixels. Let's see what YouTube minimum requirements are. We're going to get logged into YouTube. Once you do that, click on your icon, go to View Your Channel. From there, we'll be able to go to Customize Channel, and we'll get to the banner upload area with all the pertinent information. So it says we need to use an image that's at least 2048 by 1152 pixels and 6 megabytes or less. When we create our banner, we want to do it in a manner so that the center portion of the banner will show on a cell phone. The extended horizontal portion will show well on a laptop, and the remaining will show well on a TV. That being said, let's jump back into Canva. We'll go ahead and go into YouTube banner. They have a lot of different banners you can pick from. Find one that you like. And remember, again, we need the center portion set up so that it'll show on a smartphone, and everything else is a bonus. This area would be for laptop. The whole area will be for a TV. So what we need to do is go to File, Settings, Show Rulers and Guides. Move your cursor over to the side, and once it is a double-headed cursor, go ahead, left click, hold down, drag your first line over. We're going to go approximately to the 500 area, or the low 500s. Good. Come back over, left click, hold down, drag to the right, around 2000, 40, 50, in through there. Okay, good. Now we want to set up our horizontal lines. So we're going to go to the top of the page. Our first one is going to be 499, 500, in through there. That'll work well. Our second one's going to be the low 900s, maybe like 920, 925. Okay, good. So this, again, everything within here will be for our cell phone. We focus on our center field and work out. If this video is helping you, please like and subscribe. You have 3 different fields here. Say our first one, we want to change to, double click, we'll call it Dan's Camping World. Now then, we're going to put our cursor over one of these points, anything that's lit up in white. Once it turns to double-headed cursor, we can slide it in the direction that we want. And then we'll release. Sometimes you got to click out of the field, click back in the field. Click and hold, left click and hold, drag to where you'd like it. Let's go to our second field. And let's change this to, and our third field, we actually say we don't want that. We're fine with our first 2. And delete it. That doesn't look like me, so we're gonna put in a different picture. So what we're gonna go over to Uploads, select a picture, hover our cursor over one of the white areas, dot or oblong area, left click, hold it down, take it around the size that you want, left click, hold it down, drag it over, center it up, and it'll actually, and release, it'll center it up the rest of the way for you. Now what we can do is, so it looks like part of this will be cut off at this left border. Somebody was to see this, our banner, as they're looking at it on their smartphone. So we're just going to left click, hold it. We're going to bring it over a little bit more. If we click in this area, we can actually do something with this. Change the size. Actually, we'll leave it a little bit. Actually, we'll bring it to where that would be there. And then like this, we'll bring it up to the top. All right, great. Instead of new podcasts every Monday, let's say something to that effect. This we already don't need. So we're going to remove this, right click, delete. I like the blue sphere. I want to bring it over some more though. This we can remove. This we can remove, or we can change. This we'll keep. Maybe we'll put that in there. Say our wording, we would like to change the color. Something maybe a little darker. Darker yet. Maybe too dark. And maybe just something to that effect. Go ahead and try that on for size. So you can either share this to YouTube, or you can download it and then upload it to YouTube later. So we know that they said there was a 6 megabyte file size. So let's hit limit our size. Our conversion is megabytes to kilobytes. 1 megabyte equals 1,000 kilobytes. So 6 would be 6,000. So what we want to do back in here is change this to 6,000 kilobytes. Click download. And the reason we're doing that is if there's too much data on here, then it won't upload to YouTube. We see that it's 2.5 megabytes. So we are good to go. Let's get back into YouTube. We're going to upload. And this shows us what it's going to look like. So just on a smartphone, it has everything we want, how we want it. Looks good. Desktop, like that. Looking at it on a TV, like that. So that looks great. We're going to click done. And then it'll populate here and show us, you know, it's super small, but we can still see. Okay, great. Now, if you would like to do a custom banner, we can do that as well. We'll start fresh. YouTube banner. We'll have a clean page to start with. And let's bring in a picture first. So let's go to uploads. Let's start by doing the BG remover, background remover. Click on that. Now let's select a background color. Go with this. Also, we need to get our border created to make sure we have the right size. Go back into File, Settings, Show Rulers and Guides. Low 500s, 508 will work. Okay, good. Starting at the top, drag down, 499, 500, and 926. So we'll go back up, left click, hold, drag down, 926 or thereabouts. Okay, good. So this picture is definitely too big. So we're gonna select it, go over to a white area, bring it down, center it. We're gonna bring it up a little bit, quite a bit. And maybe just a little bit taller. All right, so with that being said, and of course, as we saw on the other, these lines will disappear. So once we upload it to YouTube, so let's go over to text, find some text we like. This style will work, top field, and we're gonna change this to that, scale this down. Click in our bottom field and we'll add that. I want that to be a little larger. Let's bring this over here. So I clicked on the top one. I actually want to have a little space between the two. Bring that up just a hair. Okay, let's go ahead and share. We're going to download, limit file size. We set 6,000 kilobytes. Download. Once we're in YouTube, we're going to change. Looks good. Bottom, top, left, right, desktop, TV, done. Banner complete. And as a bonus, in case you haven't already, you can go ahead and upload a picture. And you can move it around. We'll center it a little bit better. Maybe if we want to zoom in or zoom out or crop it a little bit, such as that. It may take a few moments for it to update. Meantime, come here, video watermark, make your adjustments, and done. And this way, it'll appear in all your videos. And you can set it, end of video, custom start time, entire video, however you like. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you, everybody. See you in the next one.